What's up, gang? It's your boy Durango. You already know, legendary FX way. So basically, I just want to touch up again on today on how the legendary skill performed or the legendary strategy. Now, if you watched my first video, you already know that this is just an overview or a recap on how we killed the market today. So before we carry on doing anything, make sure you subscribe, guys, for more videos. I promise as you keep on subscribing, I'll keep dropping more videos. So just subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment if you have to, and then we'll see how it will work. But let's just get into it. Let's go. So basically what happened today, as you can see right here, first things first, I told you how we trade. We trade only at the opening of the New York session, or let me say we trade the New York session opening. So once the New York session opens at 4:30, that is SA time, we get into the market, we analyze, we plot our places, we look at the legendary system, we confirm with our CNBC app, and then we vie to the charts, and then we have the legendary skill and we see what does it say, and we simply just follow. It's that easy. So already you know how I told you on the first video about our secret weapon that we have that actually tells you which pullbacks are good and which pullbacks are not good. Okay, so I'm actually looking at my laptop right now, referencing this to the phone. So let me just show this. Let me just view this on my laptop. Okay, so roundabout here, guys, this was the New York session opening roundabout there. Okay, so most people, first thing we do, we go to our CNBC app at 4:30. We analyze the app, we analyze the fundamental data, we get the direction. So the direction for today was a buy. It was a very strong buy. Okay, it was a very strong buy, so we knew that the market was going to go up. So as we already knew that, our next step was to come to the charts, open the legendary skill, apply the legendary skill, and just wait for entries. So what we had looked for, or what we were waiting for, is a good solid pullback for this buy. Now the market opened, it went up, people bought, took a few people out, came to this area as well. If you were using your support levels, demand levels, you bought, it's a good buy, it's okay, it's all is good. But the safest buy that we had today for our legendary system, this area right here, you see this down moving area, this movement here. So let me try and be more so you guys can see. So you see this area right here, from this point coming to this point, that was our pullback. Our legendary strategy confirmed that this is a valid pullback. Now some of you would have thought this was a pullback, okay, according to your strategy, but this for us was a solid pullback. It was a very beautiful pullback. So what do we do now that we have our pullback again? We again apply our legendary skill to observe and see which is the sensitive zone on this chart right now, so that we will be able to buy. Now some of you would have marked that as a zone. Okay, why? Because as we all know that with the zone, market pushed up, rejected, came down, rejected round about the same area again, and then pushed down. So this zone was already a sensitive area on the market. All you're waiting for was the market to break this zone, retest, and then you can buy. You understand? Now that's just information for free. You just gained information about zones for free. But this is not a zone according to our legendary skill. This is not a strong zone, or this is not our zone. Let me just put it like that, okay? I'm not saying if you think that is a zone, you are wrong. No, but according to our legendary skill, that is not a zone that we would use or we would enter. Now, how do we get our zone? So the legendary skill in this pullback, it showed us that our actual zone that we waiting for a breakout is this candle here. Yes, that green candle, that was our area where we were waiting to get a buy. after that area is broken. Okay, so let me remove this false zone. Let me bring this to our actual legendary zone. So as you can see, guys, after that it was really simple. We waited for the market to push up. As you can see, it didn't break the zone. The market broke the zone here, and then here the market was retesting the zone. Now, as I said, we use our CNBC app with the charts, with the legendary skill as well. It all works together. It all confirms your entry and your position and how you should hold, or how long you should hold, can we say. So basically, after we had this confirmation, all we were waiting for was our second skill that is found within the legendary skill that gives you an entry. So you have a strategy within the legendary skill that gives you a strong pullback, or a confirmation of a strong pullback. You have another one that shows you a zone, a good zone that you're going to enter, and you have another one that shows you an entry. And you also have the CNBC app and how to use the app to confirm your direction. If are we still going towards that direction, and how strong is it? So round about here, we were just waiting for our confirmation. We already knew the market was buying. We already had our zone, broke the zone. All that was left was for us to just get that confirmation that we had round about this area. Took our buys round about this area, and then boom, as you can see, currently our buy is running. Our TP was hit. We have specific pips that we give out for TPs. Those pips are already hit, but as you can see, guys, it's a beautiful buy, and it looks like we're gonna hold this buy, but we're still gonna confirm that with the app to see how long for people who wanted to hold. But all in all, it's that simple, guys. Like, it's not complicated. Again, I will be making more of such videos explaining how or what to look for in the market at what time, and hopefully I will be sharing how to use the CNBC app, but that will rely on you guys. If you're gonna subscribe and if you're gonna like my videos, then I will show you the way. That is it for today. Sturango. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, guys, at Sturango. Make sure you like my videos, make sure you subscribe, and let us grow. Danko.